Hello, greetings, my friends. This is Gilles Moncillo. I'm called to come back and return to speak again about the Ascension portal. We are inside this great 1111 gateway. For the portal will remain open. The doors are always open. It's just with every synchronicity and timeline, and when we pass through those times, it's just the opening a little bit more so that it becomes a permanent access. Ask to be escorted through the portal to accelerate your ascension. This alignment with the 1111 portal is the alignment with the star Antares, who's a fixed star in the constellation of Scorpio, which is the counterpoint balance, Antares with Arcturus. And this 1111 really ignite the power of the one to break free of all limitations. For the physical body needs a lot of rest. It's very important to rest, to recuperate. For there is our DNA has been recalibrated and upgraded. It does not come from the ego, from the personality, or from the conscious mind. It is a process that's been initiated on a universal level. So just take the time to rest, drink a lot of water, take care of your body as much as possible. And I'm going to pull a few cards. Well, that's the card we wanted. This is the card that we had for today with the French reading. Is all that shines. It's about the dropping of the mask, the illusion, all that is superficial, the facade. So stay tuned to what's going on inside. And tonight there will be an exchange of gift. Be ready to receive the amazing energies from the spirit realm, from your soul, from the creator, from your guides. Just just be attuned to that. For the alignment with prime creator is the first priority, to align with that source within, and everybody, all the other forces in the universe are assisting us towards that. But then once we align with the source, we realize there is no separation to anything or anyone. From on an energetic standpoint, we are connected with this infinite consciousness, yet it only happens, something happens only when we are ready. We couldn't get it all at once. We wouldn't want them. It's like if we were like we're hungry and we decided, well, today I want to be served all the meals I will ever eat during the rest of my life. So it's like it would be like hundreds of thousands of plates that would. No, we want what's served today for us. So just. But then, the more we are open to that, the more we receive as well. And so, but once we become one with the source, we have to integrate the fact that we are the creator of it all. We have created all the past, all the present, and all the future. All the beings in the universe are not only a part of you, they are you, but they're also your creation. From this standpoint, you can change it in the flow and harmony of the great source, of the great God that is all. Great wisdom, follow the wisdom of your soul, of your guidance. And so you want to be humble, but not humble is so humble that you deny your light and you deny your divinity. Follow whatever is called from within is really what you need to pay attention to. Pull a few cards. For the observer is abundance. There's a great deal of abundance that is coming. The doors are opening. What we need to do, the highest wisdom is meeting, encountering. There's certain people we're going to meet. That's going to very, very powerful blessings from the universe. This gift of meeting, not on the internet, but face to face. That will come. For the internet is still useful, but we're going to need to return to a grounded physical world. What we need to understand is the potentiality. What is potential, and turn potential into actual. What we need to do is action. There's time of action. We're going to move forward. Rest when you need to rest, but go for it when you are called to action. And the outcome is our destiny. To step into the creator's shoes, to fulfill our destiny, the reason why we came here. And there is a lot of Michael, the Archangel Michael was warning us of something. There's going to be billions of souls that are going to be departing the planet. And some of them will be light workers, people that are that are working towards the ascension. And so, because of illness or accident or whatever, but those on the soul level, they have decided that it was their time, and just by leaving their physical body behind, they're going to create an instantaneous ascension. They're going to accelerate their path in such a high level, and that will greatly assist the collective. So it's a soul mission, a soul plan. Do not, of course, leave some people we love that needs to go. They go when they go, but first they will, some of them will not even need to ever come back in incarnations, and others will choose to come back as an ascended master. So do not, those who are, if we're working towards the ascension and we are called back to the source, so whatever accident or illness, then it is a soul choice to finish the ascension on the energetic level. Well, he wasn't talking about suicide. Well, that is a longer journey, something else, but it is not for us to decide at the time. It is from our soul to decide the contract. So I'm just saying, we're going to be here as long as the Creator needs us here, and then we'll be able to move on to the next level, and something that there is always greater energy that awaits us on the other side. And so I'm going to, these paintings I've been working on. This one is called Love is All That Is. But I might just outline each of the letter of that Love is All with Prussian blue. Just a sort. This one is almost finished. Just need it's about the grand universe, just about refining a bit the colors of the Paradise Center. Everything else is just perfect. Once the painting is finished, I don't see no need of touching it. This has getting back in bits of colors. It's getting better, but it's still not complete. It's about the 7 super universe of Orvonton with Uversa at the center and the 10 sector majors. It represents 100,000 local universe, 1 trillion inhabited worlds, a pretty big place we live in. And this is a poem of Charles Baudelaire. I don't know if the color will work. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit. It's a darker and lighter red. And I'm working on the other one. I started some papers as well. I will soon get back to working in the large works, the studios. For those works take a lot longer than if I do abstract painting. I could do some beautiful painting and do like 1 a day, 2 a day, 3 a day, like Jackson Pollock. I can do Pollock like just as good as Pollock, but I can knock them out one every day. You know, it's like abstract painting. It's very decorative art. But when we're looking for substance, it takes a while. It takes a whole methodical thing that is going on. So I'm going to sing a song to finish. I thank you for your likes, your sharing, your commenting, your comments, and for your donations. If you want a private session, you can send me an email. Thank you for subscribing. Sometimes I receive email, or see rarely, but some comments. It's like I feel like it's like those people live in one flew over the cuckoo's nest, and there's a lot of things that may be coming back. Some people are just completely. So you try to be polite, you answer, you try to help them, but you exacerbate their madness, and so it's like be careful when some people that they may have some illusions that come up, shadows, and it's like they're going to be projecting it, and so we're getting really close to a storm here, the storm of the psyche. So just keep your mental sanity, so stay center, breathe, and be at peace. So this song is an old French song. It's called The Walks of the Angel. It goes like this. Mon cœur se trouve au bout du monde, et moi je vis au jour le jour, comptant les heures et les secondes, me séparant de ton amour. Quand on se reverra, ma vie renaîtra, et je sécherai mes pleurs. Près de toi, mon ange, près de toi, en trouvant l'oubli des jours désunis, résonnera dans nos cœurs la marche des anges. Pour voir la fin de ma souffrance, je prie le ciel de me guider vers le pays de notre enfance, où tu demeures à m'espérer. Vienne le jour de ma victoire, écrasant les années passées, où l'amour a vécu sans gloire. Vienne avec toi le temps d'aimer. Quand on se reverra, ma vie renaîtra, et je sécherai mes pleurs. Près de toi, mon ange, dans tes bras, en trouvant l'oubli des jours désunis, résonnera dans nos cœurs la marche des anges. about people who've been separated, and it's like when we come together, it's been a glorious time to love, where love will become even more powerful when you can share it. For love needs to be shared, it has to be felt, but then it's like when it's shared, it multiplies. And the card of the day is the 9 of Gabriel. You have to show determination and moving forward. Be ready for anything, like environmental activism. So it's about being conscious of the environment, it's very, very straightforward. Also, it's like you have to be ready to move forward. It's like the strength to move forward and to be determined, and to be ready for anything. For all will unfold. The doors are open. There is a great shift that is coming, so just be ready, be in gratitude, and continue to cultivate this this sense of peace and well-being. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Namaste.